child abduction emergency. This Amber Alert is being transmitted for the North Dakota Highway Patrol and North Dakota Bureau of Criminal Investigations at the request of the 3 affiliated tribes law enforcement. On August 24, 2022, at 1:19 p.m., Amber driver is believed to have been abducted from Mandaree, North Dakota. Amber is described as a 3-year-old Native American female. She is 3 feet tall, weighs 40 pounds, and has brown hair and brown eyes. Amber may be with Myron Cody Johnson, who may be driving a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country van with North Dakota license plates 983BBG. The van has front end damage and damage to the rear lift gate. Myron Johnson is described as a 45-year-old Native American male, is 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 172 pounds. He has short black hair and brown eyes. If you have any information regarding these subjects, please contact your local law enforcement or 3 affiliated tribes law enforcement at 701-627-3617. The Amber Alert information is also available to the public by calling 511 and at www.ndresponse.gov/alert. The regional weather forecast from your national